My husband actually thinks he needs to give me step-by-step directions on how to drive when he gets in the car. Honey, I am a professional driver.
Yeah.
And I have a really good rating, too.
Yes. Bonita?
Ilona Mars?
Hi.
Hello, Alex.
How are you?
Hello.
Jordan!
Hello.
So how does it feel to be that girl?
Man,
I know your shoulders are heavy, honey.
A lot of people think I use that girl in a cocky way. Like, that girl literally came from a song, the Queen Bee herself,
Yes.
and I just resonated with it.
I got confident because of the people I'm around. I kind of call it a pyramid scheme of like their confidence is trickling into me, and then I hope my confidence is trickling into other people.
As an athlete, and I'm okay talking about the losses or the bad times because I feel like that shapes me more.
The best compliment I got from another woman was from Beyonce.
What'd she say?
She said, keep doing me and that they're proud of me.
Being a working mom and wanting to drive Uber, your schedule can be so limitless.
You aren't put in a box.
Mhm.
You know, you don't have to just be one way.
I drive because I am a control freak.
Yes, I love being in control. Snaps for that.
Uber has the best flexibility, so I was like, this is what I'm gonna do.
Look at you now.
Look at me
Miss
now.
Uber driver.
Look at me now.
Our jobs are so different, but I think what is similar about us is we're both in pretty male-dominated fields.
Being a woman driver and having the woman preferences is ideal.
I'm setting the tone, setting the vibe.
You get to choose who you pick up.
Yes.
It's nice to also choose who picks you up.
Yes, honey.
Yes.
Women preference, give it to me, give it to me.
When I get into this car every day and I drive, I have a goal. My goal is always to make sure that people leave this car happy.
It's so exciting to be a woman driver because historically women were in the passenger seat.
I love being able to see the little kids look up to me because that's what I wanted when I was younger.
I do take immense pride with my teammates breaking barriers with new opportunities for women in sport.
Sometimes I think that I'm doing it for my younger self. I think she would have loved to have someone who looked like her in the media.
In a world that's been dominated by men for so long, being able to show up and show other women that if they want to do this too, they can.
If I wasn't an athlete, I'd probably be doing Uber too.
Oh, no way.
Specialties.
Period.